What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has once again pumped up over 35% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. And there is a potential Binance listing coming up for Bonk, which I'll get into later on in the video, and if that does happen then of course it is going to be a major plus bonus for Bonk itself. But that's what we're going to be looking at in today, and also as usual covering its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, and also going into 2024. What can we expect from Bonk? At the moment it's pumped up so much. Is it overvalued? Is there a potential crash coming soon? So on and so on, and looking at, is it worth buying it, or would you rather sell it right now and take out your profits and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that it is overvalued right now, which could be a negative point. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the monthly chart, guys, let's quickly have a look on how much it's gained. Over 1,000%, and overall it has gained over 1,200%, which is absolutely crazy. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Bonk to have gone for an overall increase in value, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about 1.5 at the end here, so 0.000015 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But in between, as usual, guys, do expect dips, do expect red candles, as that is part of the process. So let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting, again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep in this chart, meaning it's not as realistic as the previous chart. But yes, I am also expecting an overall increase in value from Bonk over the next week or so. So towards the end of next week, we should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major increases, anything like that. Even in the last week, guys, we have gained how much? 230% in the last week. I'm not expecting another 230%. I'm not going to go into percentages right now, but what I'm saying is I'm expecting an overall increase in value, potentially heading up to 0.000017 to 18 cents, potentially even hitting the 2 mark is what I'm expecting. But this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because most cryptos recently have been following a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late January 2024, again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, it is not realistic. And in this case, guys, over the next approximately 2 months time, I am expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value. Probably not something that you guys expected. However, As I mentioned at the start of the video, the crypto is overvalued right now. Yes, it is pumping, but it is going to be temporary. Once it's reached that highest level, it is likely to start dropping down in value, and I'm expecting that to take place around late December and early January. We should start seeing the crypto dropping down in value, hitting red candles, potentially dropping all the way back down to where it was trading about 2-3 months ago. But again, if there are any major updates to that, for example, if it does have the potential to pump up even higher or have a crash sooner or anything like that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. There's no really use on the the Fibonacci scale when it comes to Bonk, because it is literally trading in its highest level here. And what I'm saying is, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting the crypto to have crashed back down into the red zone by early 2024. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up once again by 84% in the last 24 hours, making it $223 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. There's a lot more people looking into the project from both buyers and sellers perspective. So yes guys, it is getting a lot of attention, and it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours and in the last week as well. And again, if I go back a week here, we can see the trading volume was about $29 million, and right now has gone all the way up to 223 million. So approximately 10 times trading since about a week ago. So yeah, that's how much attraction it has gained. So before I go any further, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. My Telegram group chat is now live, guys. Link to that will be in the description box down below. It is on offer right now for a limited time. It is usually $29.99. However, I had to plug you guys with a 50% off discount code. So DEC10 is the discount code. You get it for $14.99 a month. However, it is for a limited time only. And again, once you sign up, you're going to get put into 2 group chats, guys. The first chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos to buy. Sorry, not this one. What, my general updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And I also answer your questions around other cryptos, analysis, predictions. And the second chat is where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I'm not a short-term trader. I am a long-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell cryptos on a regular basis. But when I do buy it, I get in at a good price and I exit at a good price as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. And now back to Bonk. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Bonk to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.